So we're on a mackerel boat today. We're in Seabrook, New Hampshire, where I always fish. Weather's great. Seas are calm. We're going to be on a 4-hour trip. You're only allowed to keep 20 mackerel now. Gut wrenching. I don't know what rocket scientist said that, but we're only allowed to keep 20. So I'm going to make sure they're worth keeping. I'm going to throw back the little guys, keep the big guys. Then, if I'm lucky, if I catch enough early, I'm going to go after some big pollock. Can't hurt to find out. Thanks for watching. That guy with the blue shirt, the lady with the blue shirt, the other, and then my name.
So that's gonna be your bucket now.
Oh, okay, cool.
Can I do anything?
Oh, just wait. Okay,
finish off is to grab the jig, turn it upside down, right over the bottom.
Can I do anything?
Do the snap,
Alright, bro.
look right on.
Come on.
Oh, this is like.
That's a lot of mackerel right there.
Whoa!
Look at that, bro. Look at that.
Drop.
Would anybody like them? I think we're
Can I
gonna.
grab them?
You absolutely can. That's yours.
Can I grab one?
Absolutely.
Can I actually like?
Oh, Sabiki, hell yeah. Grab it. I'll bring this into you know you?
Are they slippery or something?
Are they what?
Are they slippery?
Alright, bro. Grab your stuff.
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
I want you to like put it down. Oh, another mackerel. Damn. Damn.
Spazzing out. Quit spazzing, brother.
Oh, that's a nice one. I'll take this one.
Can you do it for me though?
Huh?
Oh, shit. Come on, buddy. Oh,
Oh. Here comes a string of them.
what the hell?
Get it, get it.